On the panel tonight, we have Arjun Kejriwal from the Bollywood Aam Aadmi Party, Mr. Anandar Chopra from the YRP-KJP Alliance, film writer Ms. Meenakshi Lekhika from the Rasaranam camp, and well-known film critic and reviewer Mr. Mayank Shekhar. So tonight, Arnab wants to know, will the Bollywood Aam Aadmi Party be able to deliver on its promises that change in Indian cinema it promised a few months back? I'm going to start this one-sided debate with my personal views and judgments disguised as a question for greater impact. Mr. Anandar Chopra from the YRP-KJP Alliance, also known as the UPA, the United Producers Alliance. Mr. Chopra here is responsible for delivering the greatest hits and 60% of Switzerland tourism. My question to you is, Mr. Chopra, your production house's numerous attempts to recreate DDLJ and Kuch Kuch Hota Hai have failed. Don't you think it's time you stopped using new generation and new love in all your movie taglines?
See, Arnab, first of all, allow me to thank you for having me on your
Mr.
show.
Chopra, please do not patronize me. Do not patronize me. Don't think if you pat my back, I'll go easy on you, please.
I'm sorry.
You should be.
See, our production house has been constantly delivering some of the biggest hits of the country for the past 50 to 60 years. Credit goes to Uday Baba, of course. In fact, in the past 10 years, we have worked a lot towards the empowerment of women in Indian film industry. Item songs per films has gone up from 2 to 4.
My God.
We believe in inclusive growth, Arnab. Look at our allies. They created Jai Ho employment scheme, under which they provided jobs to out-of-job actors. Ashmit, Shetty, Tabbu, Sohail Bhai, the entire credit goes to Uday Baba.
No, but Mr. Chopra, what about Dino Moria? Where the hell is Dino Moria? And you keep saying all credit goes to Uday Baba. What has Uday Baba done in the last 10 years? Has he directed a film?
See, Uday Baba has said good or bad direction is a state of mind, Arnab.
What has Uday Baba done? Has he produced a film?
See, he has been working towards the empowerment of women.
Mr. Chopra, I am asking you a very simple question. What has Uday Baba done?
The question lies here.
No, has he given music?
It's about empowerment.
What has Uday Baba done?
The empowerment of women and youth.
Mr. Chopra, I am asking you a simple question. What has Uday Baba done? Has he even been a clap assistant?
He has not been a clap assistant. But he has worked towards their empowerment.
Mr. Chopra, say empowerment again. I dare you. Say empowerment one more time. I double dare you. Thank you. Mr. Chopra, like the opposition said in this page 3 interview, and I quote, the only thing this Shehzada has done in these 10 years is show his face in a franchisee created by his own family. And that too as a sidekick who even makes masculine sports bike look uncool. In fact, his only claim to fame is the interview he did with me 1 week back.
See, Arnab, you need to ask a very basic question here. What Uday Baba thinks about Uday Baba regarding the empowerment of women? Who will ask these fundamental questions, Arnab?
Answering a question with another question. A thorough professional reply there. Mr. Arjun Kejriwal from the Bollywood Aam Aadmi Party. Mr. Kejriwal, the founder and CEO of BAP. Can you hear me? Mr. Arjun Kejriwal with the Main Hoon Aam director cap. Can you hear me?
हाँ आ रही है अर्नब जी, आवाज आ रही है.
Please continue.
अर्नब जी, 60 साल पहले एक फिल्म आई थी मुगले आजम, जो ना केवल एक बेहतरीन फिल्म थी, सुपर हिट भी थी. वो लोग फिल्में नहीं बनाते थे क्या? फिल्में बनाई थी ऋषिकेश मुखर्जी ने, फिल्में बनाई थी बिमल रॉय ने, जो ना केवल एंटरटेन करती थी, सेंस भी बनाती थी, हिट भी होती थी. आज के लोग फिल्में बनाना भूल गए हैं. हम लोग इनको फिल्में बनाना सिखाएंगे. अर्नब जी, हम कौन हैं? हम इस देश की सताई हुई, दबे कुचले, थकी हारी जनता है. हम लोग क्या चाहते हैं अपनी फिल्मों से? अच्छी एक्टिंग हो, नई कहानियां हो और 2 बातें दिल को छू के निकल जाए. ये बेसिक जरूरतें पूरी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. इसलिए हमने लास्ट ईयर मकाओ में आईफा के सामने अनशन किया था ताकि स्क्रीन पाल बिल पास हो जाए. नाना पाटेकर जी हमारे साथ थे, उन्होंने भी अनशन किया था. हमारी मांगे सिर्फ इतनी सी थी कि जितनी भी इस देश में फिल्में बनती हैं उनके स्क्रीन प्ले की जांच हो, कि कहीं वो हॉलीवुड फिल्मों से या साउथ इंडियन फिल्मों से चुराई ना जाए. क्या गलत चाह रहे थे हम लोग? आज के लोग एंटरटेनमेंट के नाम पे गाड़ी उड़ाते हैं, साड़ियां उड़ाते हैं, पिंक पेड़ जला देते हैं. इस देश की जनता अब पक चुकी है, वो जाग रही है. वो किसी भी बड़ी फिल्मों को फ्लॉप कर सकती है. जाके देख लो जय हो के थिएटर्स में. क्रांति आ रही है और यही क्रांति है. ये आम आदमी है, ये आम आदमी फिल्म बनाएगा.
Finger on your lips, please. 1 minute. First of all, you cannot speak for so long on my show, and that too in Hindi. For our English viewers, I'll translate what he said. He said that the Indian storytelling in cinema is pathetic. He used a lot of curse words to describe Indian filmmakers. And then he claimed that at a party, he got drunk and then had a fight with Ram Gopal Verma. And shortly after that, made out with him.
Arnab ji, please don't be immature on your show.
You don't be immature on my show. Immature.
एक मिनट मैं बोलूं, मैं अपनी बात पूरी कर लूं। इन्होंने गॉडफादर चुरा ली, इन्होंने मेमेंटो और प्रेस्टीज का क्या हाल बना दिया, धूम 3 बनाई है। ये लोग चोर नहीं है, इन्होंने फिल्में नहीं चुराई हैं। हम गलत कह रहे हैं क्या? हम देश की जनता गलत कह रही है कि इन्होंने फिल्में चुराई हैं।
Mr. Chopra, please respond to that.
Arnab, this is anarchy. There is a proper structure in this country for judging films. There are various award committees who judge films on various criteria. Who is Arjun Kejriwal to
अरे ये
judge a
अवार्ड कमेटी
film?
तो इनकी जेबों में है, इनकी कौन जांच करेगा? हमने अपनी सारी कहानियां हमारी वेबसाइट पे डाल रखी हैं, जाके देख लो। हमने इनसे भी कहा कि अपनी सारी कहानियां अपनी वेबसाइट पे डालो, बोलते हैं कि लीक हो जाएगी जी। अरे लीक कहां से हो जाएगी? सारी तो तुमने चुरा रखी है।
No, but Mr. Kejriwal, you cannot just go around calling everybody a thief. There are other awards as well. There are critics awards. Mayank Shekhar, you were a part of critics jury. Please respond to that.
No. At the end of the day, we're dealing with narrative cinema, right? So it will be about the stories that are
No,
being told.
I'm sorry,
Certain
Mayank, I'll have to
stories will
cut
be
you off here.
popular.
You're starting to make some sense, so I'll have to cut you off. I will now turn and forcibly impose my views on Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo. Miss Meenakshi Lekhika from the NDA, New Award Directors Alliance, also commonly known as the Rasa Random Party. Miss Meenakshi, you represent the intelligent film circuit of India. What do you have to say about the concerns raised by Mr. Kejriwal?
See, Arnab,
One second. Yeah, everybody ready? Go ahead.
See, Arnab, I think that Mr. Kejriwal does not know his facts. Sure, there is an existence of commercial motion pictures which indulge in the debauchery and attempt to discombobulate the unfeigned filmmakers. But the canvas of art cinema in India has gone much beyond their realm, felicitating the unconventional, barring the human soul, and at the same time touching every day the new pinnacles of international cinema. Arnab, we believe in development of the development of the era of developing development of the Indian cinema. So, development, yeah.
Mr. Chopra, मेरे को कुछ समझ नहीं आया. In case you got what she meant, please respond to that.
Arnab, Meenakshi and team constantly keep on talking about development of Indian cinema. But what about the release of the film No Smoking in 2007? So many people lost their ticket money in that film. Why haven't they apologized for that film? Can Mr.
No,
Kashyap
I
come
don't
forward and
understand
apologize
why
for
this
that
issue
film?
of no smoking is being brought upon again and again by them. I don't understand this at all. What about Himmatwala? No, tell me.
Please,
No,
Ms.
no,
Lekika,
tell me
please,
what
please
about
stay in your frame,
Himmatwala?
please,
No,
please.
tell me now. What about Himmatwala? What about your Pyar Impossible? What about Boss? Will Uday Baba apologize for Pyar Impossible?
Well,
Arey
Pyar
bhai,
Impossible
Gujarat,
was also for
we
the
developed
development of
Gujarat
women in
cinema.
Indian cinema.
The good road went to the Oscars.
No, but Miss Lekhi, an accusation cannot be the reply of another accusation. This is cheating. I am cutty with you. No, Mr. Kejriwal, if you can respond to that, please. I won't talk to her.
अर्नब जी, ये दोनों देश की जनता को बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं। एक कमर्शियल सिनेमा के नाम पे हमको लूट रहा है, दूसरा आर्ट सिनेमा के नाम पे हमको बोरिंग पिक्चरें दिखा रहे हैं। इन्होंने एक पिक्चर बनाई शिप ऑफ थीसिस, गया था जी मैं पूरे परिवार के साथ देखने के लिए। पूरी पिक्चर खत्म हो गई, जहाज तो क्या एक नाव तक नहीं दिखी। वो कश्यप साहब कहते हैं कि 120 करोड़ तुमने उनको दिए हैं, हमको 120 मिनट देके दिखाओ। दिए जी हमने इनको 120 मिनट। क्या बनाया इन्होंने? शैतान बनाई है। 30 मिनट की पिक्चर को 120 मिनट तक खींचा स्लो मोशन के चक्कर में। कहां गए वो 90 मिनट? यही तो स्कैम है। वो 90 मिनट किसकी जेब में? इसके लिए तो लड़ रहे हैं हम लोग। इसकी जांच कौन करेगा? कौन करेगा इसकी जांच? ये लोग एक बार दिवाली पे लूटते हैं, एक बार ईद पे लूटते हैं। पीठ पीछे मेरी भगत है इनकी। हिम्मत है तो एक ही दिन एक ही डेट पर रिलीज करके दिखाए पिक्चरें।
Mr. Kejriwal, being an IITian now, you should not advise anybody about dates. Arnab, what I am trying to say is that BAP is nothing else but Team B of UPA itself. Now what they'll do is they'll release their movie on the same date as ours and cut down on our box office collections. This is a big conspiracy theory, Arnab. They're trying to relaunch Uday Baba by saying that he looks like an Aam Aadmi.
No,
that's exactly what they're trying to do, Arnab.
But
एक मिनट।
Okay, Kejriwal, please respond to that.
एक मिनट, ये लोग सिर्फ स्टार्स के बलबूते पे हमसे करोड़ों रुपया लूट रहे हैं। ये देखिए, ये स्विस लोकेशन के डॉक्यूमेंट्स है मेरे हाथ में। ये जो ड्रीम सीक्वेंस के नाम से फॉरेन में शूट होते हैं, इसका फिजूल खर्ची कहाँ से आता है? उसका कच्चा चिट्ठा ये पैसा हमसे आता है, ये आम आदमी का पैसा है। ये जो लाइन में खड़े होकर टिकट लेते हैं, ओवर प्राइस पॉपकॉर्न खरीदते हैं, ये हमारी जेबों का पैसा है। अर्नब जी, सबसे पहले हम इस देश का सेलिब्रिटी कल्चर खत्म करना चाहते हैं। वंशवाद, सिनेमा डायनेस्टी, इसको खत्म करना चाहते हैं। ये लोग सिर्फ कपूर को, मल्होत्रा को, भट्ट को लॉन्च करेंगे। हम लोग इस देश के महापात्रा, शुक्ला और बंसल को लॉन्च करना चाहते हैं। हम लोग इस देश की हर घर में जाकर 700 सेकंड की फिल्में बनाएंगे फ्री में, और इन सबको एक्सपोज करेंगे। हम लोग इन सबको एक्सपोज करेंगे, इन सबको एक्सपोज करेंगे।
Mr. Kejriwal,
बता दे रहे हैं हम।
I'll be honest with you. I haven't seen so much exposure on screen since Poonam Pandey's debut film. For our English viewers, I'll translate what he said. He says, cow goes moo, frog goes croak. But what does the fox say? Arnab wants to know.
Arnab, Mr. Kejriwal has failed already. He had assured his people that within 15 days of the formation of his production house, he will write his first screenplay. Where is the screenplay? It's been 30 days already. He has failed.
Miss Lekika,
लिख रहे हैं जी, लिख रहे हैं। हमारे जेल पेन की रिफिल खत्म हो गई है। लिख रहे हैं हम लोग। तुम लोगों की तरह सेठ लोग नहीं है, मैकबुक नहीं है हमारे पास। लिख रहे हैं हम लोग।
Mr. Kejriwal, let me.
They accused us of shooting on foreign locations and
Mr.
exotic
Chopra,
islands.
please.
एक मिनट।
Now
please,
they are
no.
themselves
This is
shooting
my
on
show,
islands.
please. Let
We are shooting
please
at
silence,
Island.
please.
गर्मी में लोग मर रहे हैं, ये मीडिया झूठ बोलती है, ये मीडिया का झूठ है।
Why? Who are? Please, calm down. I'll walk out.
And Arnab, he has betrayed his.
I'm
his
telling you, I'll walk
Nana
out.
Patekar. Nana ji he has betrayed Nana ji.
नाना जी मेरे बहुत
No,
करीब है।
Mr. Kejriwal, please.
मैं उनकी बहुत इज्जत
Please
करता
let-
हूँ।
Please sit down, please.
नाना जी अब भी मेरे साथ हैं।
Please, Miss Lekika, please.
Arnab,
Let me say something.
Arnab,
Let me talk to my
I'm-
viewers.
Arnab,
Miss
I'm-
Lekika.
Arnab-
Miss Lekika statue.
I will not be statue. You go watch Pogo. Why will I be statue?
I don't watch Pogo. Why should I watch Pogo? I'm a grown man. I don't watch Pogo.
I've seen you watch Chota Bheem.
I don't watch Chota Bheem. Season 2 was pathetic. Please don't make
Arnab, you're
personal
not letting me
accusation.
complete
Miss
my
Lekika,
statement.
please.
Arnab, you're not letting me complete my
Please,
statement.
Miss Lekika.
I think Baba
Miss-
has offered you a role in
Miss
their latest
Lekika.
flick.
What did you say? What did you say, Miss Lekika? Please get me a one-on-one with Miss Lekika. Yes, Miss Lekika. Please repeat yourself.
I don't have to repeat myself.
You said something about accepting roles in a film.
Yes, I used those words because you were not
Miss
letting me complete.
Lekika.
No, because you were not letting me complete
Miss
my
Lekika.
statement. You're doing that again, Arnab. You're not
Miss
letting me
Lekika.
complete. Arnab, you're not letting me
Leko.
complete. I am not Miss Lekika. I've been married for 10 years.
Leko. Never ever again question an honest actor, journalist. The interruptions are a format of this reality show. News debate. My viewers know me. Nobody tells me what to say. You don't tell me what to say. Even my teleprompter does not tell me what to say.
Uday Baba can tell you what to say.
I'll beat you. I'll give the final conclusion as I always do to prove I'm ultimately right. It is possible that the BAP has some good intentions. Maybe a little over-ambitious. But will they succeed in the long run? Only time will tell. Or I will tell. The other productions, you surely have some good individual filmmakers. But your previous track record is bad. Like really bad. But one thing is certain. All these productions can use one real talent, one new talent, who is handsome, charismatic, angry, and has a natural flair for monologues. Is there a role waiting for the new star of Bollywood? Here is the script I have written based on my travel experiences inside the studio. Is there anybody who wants to launch a new star? Who wants to launch the Voice of India? Anybody? Mr. Chopra? Miss Lekika, can you hear me? Anyone? I think they left the studio once again. That's it for tonight.
No, Arnab, but I have a point to make. You called me all the way to the show, but I never got a chance to say anything.
Mr. Mayank
What was
Shekhar,
the-
you are a film critic. Nothing you say will ever matter to the Indian audience. That's it for tonight at our show. After this, you will watch the exclusive coverage of how Lara Datta's cat got into John Abraham's home and tried to write a script. See you tomorrow, same time at prime time. Can somebody give me a lollipop? No, I want mango malai. This is strawberry. How dare you? You watched the video and you didn't even like it. You have to like it, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. I will not stop talking till you subscribe to this channel. Have you subscribed yet? Have you subscribed now? Have you subscribed now? It's a very simple question. Have you subscribed? Why haven't you subscribed? Subscribe now. Please subscribe now. I'll ask you again. Please share the video and subscribe it. Subscribe to our channel, share the video. I'll repeat. Please share the video and subscribe. Subscribe. Please subscribe. Share the video and subscribe. I will not stop talking till you share the video. Please share the video and subscribe.